Introducing 1,090 inch-pounds of awesome. The XPH07M is the new king of the hammer driver drill category with the most torque in its class. It outpowers, outlasts, and outperforms the rest. With over 1,000 inch-pounds of torque, it outpowers the red and yellow brushless counterparts by up to 382 inch-pounds of torque. It also outlasts the red and yellow brushless drills, powering through 77 holes on a single charge with a new 4 amp-hour lithium-ion battery. So is it faster? Yes! Drilling into 2x material, it's up to 24% faster than the red and yellow's brushless drills. The hard-working XPH07M is equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. The XPH07M is powered by the new 4 amp-hour battery that reaches a full charge in 40 minutes or less. That's twice as fast as some of the other 4 amp-hour batteries on the job site, which can take up to an hour and a half to reach full charge. It's part of Makita LXT, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup. The new XPH07M is the unmatched, undisputed king of the hammer driver drill category. And now, introducing the XPH07T, equipped with 5 amp-hour batteries. The latest innovation in Makita 18-volt LXT battery technology. The new XPH07T delivers unmatched performance with even more runtime. The XPH07T kit includes 2 5 amp-hour batteries for extended performance. How about over 100 holes on a single charge? And each battery charges in only 45 minutes or less, the fastest charge time in the category.
The new fuel drill performed every task that we needed it to do. It was very versatile.
When we had to drill our holes from each floor through the wood, it just ate right through it. The power was there, the variable speed was also there that we could use.
For lateral drilling, 2x4s, double 2x4s, we can go through that with 2-inch bit, no problem. And the batteries, it's 1 battery for the day. It's compact, it fits real nice in between the studs.
I was able to fit in all the small areas that we needed to use it for. The power was just phenomenal.
It's definitely shorter, more compact. The balance is right there where you need it. The power, the weight ratio, it's awesome.
The new Milwaukee drill is definitely faster. I can definitely feel the difference. You just pull the trigger and it goes right at it. There's like no wait time, no lag.
The new fuel drill ran at a very fast speed, which was nice because it was easier to get the job done quicker. The new fuel drill is compact, it's powerful, it's versatile. It's about the only tool that you need to get the job done.